Sengani na lava ki mona somo indone vakande ena lamani tolu na mbaki. Karau mantanga ni ose na nomu soso mi ena lamani tolu na mbaki. Siko ya ni enandona tambana ni Vinod Patel mendua na nomu quotation. Sa rausar ni turia ya nikua. Build, renovate, extend or upgrade your home with Vinod Patel High Purchase.
At Vinod Patel Home and Building.
VTFM Auchpalangi, Kotiani Vikimini Punjas, celebrating 90 years. KV Not Patel.
And welcome to Ouch Palangi Show. We say a very good morning.
All right.
To you all. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning. We say Mbulubinaka to all our friends. Coming on the bus. Inside the bus, minivan, a taxi. Na toka ni maivale pagod bicho kumay na vale na bukunin karabi tayo kata ni singini kuwa so yarabinaka to all our friends tuning in from overseas
Right.
na buru toka ni nondang ngono taki na Ouch Palangi Show bukan rabi kimana dorbo yarabinaka dem yarabinaka samu
Iya,
Andrew Binaka. Good morning to one taxi driver. Pick me up this morning. This fella from Bua.
Oi
When I get in,
Yeah.
it was raining,
Yeah.
and I just take my touch on the phone. I just do like this,
Yeah.
and he stopped.
Yeah.
And he turn around, come back. When I get in, I saw him. He was look fresh,
Yeah.
Look fresh this morning. I thought,
He was look fresh na.
fresh na. Iyo, hey meow, you start to walk this morning or you driving last night? Meow, no. Last night I drive.
Yeah.
10 o'clock. I went to park in somewhere that side in Kinoya, and I slept.
okay
I slept there and I wake up this morning.
statala job
Start the
One
job.
now.
See the different ways,
Yeah.
Different ways. Some
Right.
of our family they sleep at home.
Yeah.
Some of them they walking at night.
don no binaka don no
Chona
binaka
ni koro da tau ke ni kiukamba. Andra binaka ubu.
Andra.
Ngo mata ni ngono metabole kiran dora turani chama ni waitu tu mekena dan Bernadenga. Tu
Alright.
how does it taste?
Yeah.
Ngone ni biti.
Yeah.
Mata ni ngono metabole kinoka tu noka it tastes like a cucumber.
Oh, but ni biya sweet and sour.
Iya.
Belum na kami rekor tu Taylor Tavo. Good morning to Jonathan Nikoro.
Iya.
Peter Masilava. Tamay Tinay Jules.
Iya.
And likewise to the family of Netherlands. Mel Netherlands from
Alright.
Brisbane.
Andra
Listening in this wonderful morning.
don no binaka we kibrin na wakando ni sema chumen be hotel di bulang sarbono we say andra binaka to you all
Yeah.
to all our guests from overseas who are
Yeah.
tuning in this morning
Yeah.
maybe enjoying the what you call it na fresh mbu
Yeah.
and be hotel we toka di bulumay matang di kuwa andra binaka na staff to doko ni roro di wangabuka
Right.
lubu
Yeah.
kay namaka may nandi pako di binaka chuga di buri be toka di na pakatambisiga nonton kono boru taki na buri Ouch Palangi Show.
Well, good morning to the village of Natuba Taibungali Telewu,
Iyo.
especially to Joseba Turanganibolo,
Iyo.
to Tem Sarabai,
Right.
her name Tamay Nina and Tinay Nina, and not forgetting Nina, and also to one of our family member too from Tunoloa.
Right.
Good morning to you, and also to one Tabale from Nabitau Sangani, the Count Robert.
And Russia.
Part of the meeting on Saturday.
Oh,
So you look weakening, Dems.
Yeah, you can see me. My mouth is full.
Okay. Your body is going thin.
Yeah. The weather, the very cold.
my mouth is full of lying.
No, it's full of guava leaves.
Okay.
Oh.
Too much ko Dems. Ano matakali kuha. Kaya kau diklan doon na iwali ni Mate Tavi Dems Yuko. Ningay pustang siya mayan on the live page. Ano matakali ko. Okay. Our story about Lambasa guy.
Iyo, this pupu of us,
Iyo.
our grandfather.
Ano ba?
Pupu, the bumbu, the grandfather. The grandfather came back from the fighting. Iyo.
Okay.
It's what's the name
Talaga
again?
Tupu.
Oh, iyo. What's the name again, Demesi?
Blood.
No, blood is from Langau.
Puno si.
Punosi.
Iyo.
Punosi win the South Pacific Games fighting, boxing. And, excuse me. And he came back from Samoa.
Right.
And when he reached Lambasa town,
Yeah.
and all the people in Lambasa town know Pumosi very well.
Yeah.
Because he is a good fighter.
Yeah.
When he reached Lambasa town, all the squad, all the gang members, they go to Long Bay.
Yeah.
Na pool merto de muri. Long Bay.
Yeah.
Long Bay, Lambasa, to those people who don't know Lambasa very well,
Yeah.
Long Bay is where they used to drink.
It's out of bound from town.
Yeah, out of the bar from
That's
town.
before,
Yeah. Now
The
Long
place
Bay,
of fun.
Yeah.
Fun. Now
Yeah.
Long Bay is turned to Damoda City.
Yeah.
Now.
Yeah.
Before it was Long Bay. It was all the Pasi, all the Vai, and everything was there.
Yeah.
And they used to go and
Drinking spot.
drink the.
It's like a motel.
Yeah, motel too sometimes. Yeah. And they're going to drink the
Spirit.
The spirit.
Yeah.
spirit there.
Spirity.
Spirity. So Pumosi came back. They all said, okay, we'll celebrate today.
Yeah.
Because you won the gold medal from Samoa.
Yeah.
Today we'll celebrate.
Okay.
So they bring curtains of spirit.
Yeah.
Curtains. And they go to Long Bay. While they were drinking,
Yeah.
that time it was like the harvest season of
Harvesting.
Ganakato.
Yeah.
That time. And all the Maita from now, they came to Nambasa to look for money.
Yeah.
Look for money because of the Balisongo.
Yeah.
Because of the family.
Yeah.
And they was doing Ganakato. 20 of them.
Yeah.
20 of them was there. And
Kamatani
one
money.
child from now
Yeah.
was with them.
Yeah.
The name is Blood.
Right.
Blood is the name. So,
But the name on the left shoulder is one pirate,
you want parrots?
one rear dagger, and one skull. One tattoo.
Yeah,
And one
yeah.
toothpick and one rabbit.
Hey! See, yes, you tuned them, see.
Yeah.
And while they were drinking, celebrating the gold medal in Long Bay, and they were like praising this Poo,
Yeah.
Punosi. They was like praising.
Yeah.
All of them were sitting down, and Punosi was sitting on the
Poo.
on the on the
liko.
the tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, the tree was falling down.
Ooh, saya usah
Yeah. And they were drinking.
Lubu singalit.
Lubo Singaletti. And this guy from
And where's the gold medal?
gold medal was hanging on the neck.
Oi, saya wah.
It's like a bullet belt
Yeah.
hanging on the neck.
Ooh.
And this boy from now look at them.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe this one, they were talking. This one is maybe the fighter.
Yeah.
And while they were like Bakawelewele,
Yeah.
They selling.
same time this one side. When he one side and it's go wrong.
Yeah.
Not it's miss. No hit.
Yeah.
Yeah, because Punosi never buy anything.
Yeah, Punosi because Punosi is the winner.
Yeah.
Same time Punosi Maro.
Yeah.
Maro this one, this kind of in the face. In the face, eh?
Yeah.
Same time he lie down instead of he crying.
Yeah.
Hey! And from Long Bay,
Mommy!
mommy got me to my mom, mommy. Long Bay,
Yeah.
you have to cross the train bridge.
Timeline.
Yeah.
Train line bridge. Yeah.
Right.
And that side of the bridge, those gang from now, the 20 of them, and 2 from Honolulu, they were drinking too.
Oh, okay.
And they had a loud voice coming, crying. Yee!
Yeah.
Crying. And when they look at the bridge, they saw this young gentleman
Yeah.
speed up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Speed, and they saw one big balls in the forehead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they said, oh, fighting?
Yeah.
Fighting? What?
Yeah.
And then when he reached them, they asked, hey, what happened?
Yeah.
What happened? No, there's a guy there, punch me. Blood same time, because blood don't want to put all the kind of down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they were there in Honolulu.
Yeah.
No one there.
Tahu
Yeah.
lu besar kan?
Only blood same time. Who's that? Who's that?
Yeah.
Who's that fella? Who's that fella? Today he'll see. Today he'll see
Yeah.
what kind of Kebun he is.
Yeah.
What kind of Kebun
Yeah.
Today he'll see.
Yeah. Yeah.
And all the Kebun two Kebun was there. And they asked, hey, which one?
Yeah.
Which one punch you?
Yeah.
Eh, the gold medal here.
Yeah.
Hey!
Yeah.
No. Blood, stop it.
Yeah.
Do you know the fella?
Yeah.
Who's the fella?
Yeah.
Who's the fella? That's Punosi.
Yeah.
Who Punosi?
Yeah.
Who Punosi? Punosi just won the gold medal last week from Samoa.
Yeah.
Pacific Games.
Mm.
Ah! Punosi just won the gold medal from Samoa last
Eh,
week.
dapat tio ya?
Hezapa.
Yeah.
Hezapa Punosi.
Why?
He fight. He can fight.
Yeah.
We don't go.
Yeah.
Senin berang ngo buning ngo blood.
Kau di talang tak kebukira?
Yeah.
Senin berang buning ngo. Hezapa. We can pour his drink wrong. Hezapa. Esen risa mo na ngo.
Aquilo que assassin run of one to one go eh.
Iya.
Senin kiloko ya.
Kenapa muno si Seriso mana mena yang kona?
Sa kiloko ya. Kaya bakar to na one to one ko, kaya bakar na one to one ko na lenga.
Eh, lego ka.
Saka nga sarani ta kamertu salo se menang ko na so. Ase din berang na boy no le. Nang ko na pandaun raw.
Eh. Karena kita betul na, oi sakit, kita long base no more now.
No more long bay now.
Oi.
Now it's
Setting long bay.
Some sports
Sa
there.
moda.
the modern and avenue.
Oi.
You know the like we look back, eh?
Yeah.
Look back in the early 90s.
Yeah.
You know where the courthouse is?
Dia.
That's all sugarcane was there.
Oi.
All my father sent them used to tell us.
Okay, this is like the fish market.
Iya.
What's the Grog area?
Yeah,
The
Grog store.
bridge there, the other side.
The other side.
Oi.
Punaya bibai na kotari punaya Long Bay. Punaya si tukiniliu na Kuribule Avenue.
Oi.
Senta tukiniliu na ngonango sa Badure.
Iya.
Kono ni barbar.
Badur.
Oi.
Risong bika. Punaya keto undur mau keto may bulu. Tia sangga itu kita kemana Avenue. Melante melo mentahun.
Okay.
Sai fusion.
Oi.
Maybe in Temesi one day, Sidi Kimura will come to Fiji, take him there.
Mela ida ba.
May Gurgun spirit.
Spread me. Oh mata.
Iya.
Karena kami
And
kini
you
na.
know what is funny about this Long
Bila
Bay?
senia. Iya.
What is funny about this Long Bay? Because they used
Kau na
to
hotspot.
Huh?
Na hotspot na buno ni. Iya.
They used to call someone Turani Koro, Turani Abusa, Turani Matangali,
Iya.
everybody.
Oi.
And the gang squad.
Emily Rose ko baka sumay.
Dong mulai binangan ang kasini buli.
Iya.
Is
Kapan dong mulai ninda do tu ba ya?
Iya.
Kono ya kami ndaungan di besar bakali. Tatako sutue.
Oi.
Kalau me kurni buli Avenue umure mana temle dong tak besar kono ya. Kanon non rai ngandi tu nang kase.
good.
Right.
Kalau barang mai suata oke sot me tahu ni bidana yang kono oke mai kita mata kana
Oh, may sabaw tiga.
Sabaw
Oh,
tiga.
okay. All right. Ya, bikin benar kata italo may Long Bay. Ya, puno si kantin talong ko.
Huh?
Talon din na.
Saya ngaku kan ketona.
Oh, okay, sedar, kaci. Kaci bikin benar kata bito akan lumayan di talon matari kuah. Ano bukan dibika so de daw ato tu na so ngauna. So ngauna satu kini ngasa orai santa nawar ni veru raw na bukan kukawa.
Gori.
Kaya kata baka pala kukawa. Sabi na kami santa lo siya doon na kaya na kona.
Tai nau kalau bina Dreus.
Iya.
Excuse me. Berapa lebih besar bito akan belum mana matang di kuah non da outs palang show doon mo hat. Like bata kena